Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're still on with the 7-day set from Finnigans of Deansgate, Manchester. So today we're on with Thursdays. We've done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we're now on with Thursday. And for this test I'm just going to do this area here, quite a sensitive part around your lips. This is a good test of a decent razor, if it doesn't pull or drag. Around this area. Then you're on to a winner. You don't want soap up your nose. For this demo, I'm just going to do the top part and under the lips. I'm not bothered with the goatee today. So, goggles on. I have to get close up on this one. Bit difficult trying to get into the camera and focus on what I'm shaving at the end of the day. That's worked all right. It's only a short video, this one, but it just shows the keen edge of the blade if it's not dragging against your bottom or top lip. You're on a winner. I don't know if you can hear that outside, but we've got a really bad weather front at the moment. It's absolutely black thunderstorms. I know during my time in England we used to have some really bad weather, bad thunderstorms, but here in Slovenia, oh my lord, it's like something out of a Dracula movie. Yeah, you hear that? That's the thunder here. So, I think I'll leave it there for now, and then I'll do Fridays tomorrow around this area. You know, I always seem to find a bloody nick here. There. Cha. And nothing wrong with the razor. I think it's just a blemish in my skin that pops up every now and again. So there we have it. That's Thursdays, just as clean as the rest. And as usual, just give it a wipe, you know, 2 or 3 sides, 2 or 3 times on each side, and then strap it on a leather strap for about 50 laps, something like that. And that'll keep your blade really sharp. I'll just step out of the shot so I can see properly. Yeah, you can see the cutting edge there, look. There. And on the other side. And the pivots are still quite stiff. As you can see, I'm not holding it. So that's a good indication that it's not had a great deal of use in its life. All the blades are the same. The pivots are quite stiff, as you can see. It's not flopping down. So there we have it. Again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch up with Fridays tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.